Chenro mag thieth igeno ni dhi dok kare e kaunti ma Kericho bang' ten kaunti no kotelnegi kod Gavana Dr. Eric Mutai goyo kogni ogirimiti mar dokie tich motisi ni Return to Work Formula manotimore e apisi mare kanyakla kod riwruog jochiw thieth ma pacho ka. Koloso bang' go sei, Gavana Mutai nowacho ni kaunti no dhi ndiko lakteche mamoko kaka yor medo konyruok kod dongruok e sekta mar thieth ka bende jagoro e riwruog jochiw thieth KUSO owacho ni giyie chungo ng'anyo poni dwachgi oketi e tim mondo mi jopiny oyud thieth e yo makare.
One of the issues that we have signed today is a CPA that makes us among the top 20 counties to have signed this agreement, the CPA that touches on the matters of the welfare, promotions of our clinical officers, and we have signed that today. Having discussed with the unions, we have also agreed together to have our universal healthcare staff employed on permanent and pensionable terms, and the County Public Service Board to issue letters immediately for their confirmation as we continue to dialogue with the ministry.
We have had just one meeting, but I must assure you and assure the people of Kericho that we have largely agreed on all the issues, and the remaining part that we have is that we shall be able to embark or go back to our members and communicate the proposal that we are getting from the employer, and once agreed, if then they agree as we have agreed from our side, we shall actually sign a return to work and suspend the strike immediately.